Let's go back on the car. Where's Daddy gone? Oh dear. We can't leave without him. Hi, George. Let's see Daddy. Daddy Pig, you coming? Have a nice day. We won't, because Daddy is sneezing all over the place. And now he's over there. I'm just not built to drive. Time to hop on and go home. Achoo! Achoo! That was hard. Let's go. Hey, that's the wrong way. Oh, it's a handicap. No! Careful, Daddy Pig. You knocked me down the car. That was quite funny, Mummy. Well, that was not. Now I better get back on the car. I'll drive this time. And you can sit by me. I wanted to drive, but fine. Anything to keep you from... I guess I'll not tell you. Don't make us fall again, Daddy. But I'm not driving. I won't make us fall then. The Mummy is driving. What if she starts sneezing? She was not sneezing. You saw her. That was a lightning fast thing Daddy Pig told me to do. It was? Come on, George. It's dinner time. Here's the fancy dinner table. Huh? Going to see you? No, dinner with Peppa and Mama. Time for me to get off too. And me. I hope I didn't get the sneezes. Mommy, can we have dinner now? Of course we can, Peppa. Hop on your seat and we'll start eating. You too, Daddy Pig and George. Okay. Just be careful, don't sneeze me out of the table again, Daddy. I will, Peppa. I'll take my seat, which is right over here. Take this seat. Hop on and go in it. Can George take the pink seat? He has to take the pink seat. That's his baby chair. I don't sit on a baby chair anymore. I sit on a grown-up's chair. That's my chair. Sorry, Daddy. But I can still sit on a grown-up's chair. Can't I? Of course you can, Peppa. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you, George. Oh no, I wrecked our picnic. Still not a picnic, Peppa. Now that. Whoa, I can't seem to hop on. Lightning fast eating, here I come. Lightning fast to me, here I come. I can get comfy cozy in this one. Just Be careful you don't spread your sneezes, Daddy. Oh, I'll be really careful. Why has Mommy stopped eating? Because he sneezed me out of the chair. Daddy! It wasn't me. It was her. It was me. Here's the chairs. So delicious. That was not nice, Daddy. Time to eat and lightning fast. Achoo! You broke the other chair, Daddy. Sorry, Peppa. I just couldn't control my sneezes like this morning. Achoo! You knocked down my kitchen. Oops. Achoo! Hey. That was not nice, Daddy. Achoo! You almost knocked down the playground. Sorry. We better start cleaning up then, George. Peppa, care to help? Well, I suppose so. Achoo! Achoo! Is the Daddy sneezing? She-sho, 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 she-sho. At least he didn't sneeze the table away from me. Achoo! He wrecked our home! Daddy Big! You keep making more and more mistakes. I'm really sorry, Mommy Pig. At least he didn't wreck our car. Yes, we can move to a different home in our car that's red and achoo! He wrecked Zoe Zebra. Can't he stop making mistakes? I don't know. He just seems to keep making more and more mistakes.